Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I gonna share how to build that type of website just using AI. So let's see our agency website looks. I build that my agency websites just using AI. So let's see the look. That's amazing. You don't need to understand coding. You don't need to be a web developer or WordPress developer. You just simply using AI and builds that type of website. So let's get started how to build that type of amazing website. Simply go to Google and search lovable.com, or if you click that link, or if you use that my link for build amazing website, you can get 15 credit. Or if you simply go to Google and search lovable.dev, and if you click the website, you can just simply get 5 credit. So simply use my link. I drop the link my comment section or description. You can just use that link and you can get 15 credit, and you can easily create a lot of websites. So simply go to Google and use my link, and you have to sign up Lovable using your Gmail. When you log in and when you sign up your Gmail from Lovable, you can see that interface, and you have to write just a simple prompt, and that Lovable create an amazing website. So how to write prompt? Simply you can use AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, or anything. So if I simply using ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is super powerful, and I can easily use that ChatGPT for prompt engineering. So like I want to build like portfolio website, like I want to build portfolio website, and I am a automation engineer. So simply search, write the simple text like write prompt for build portfolio website. I am a AI automation expert, and I want to build website using AI. So now write details prompt for generate amazing website. I just write simple prompt from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT give me details and abstract prompt. Simply click enter, and we can see ChatGPT already writing the prompt. So just see the prompt and just copy that prompt, like they ChatGPT already write the prompt. If you need any kind of website like painting website, plumbing website, agency website, you can build any types of website. Just you have to understand prompt engineering. You can easily use AI for generate prompt engineering, and you have to like something basic knowledge for generate website, because every website need to lot of accessories, lot of phrase, and you have to understand what type of phrase you need. Then you have to guide AI, and the AI generate amazing prompt, and you can use that prompt, and that lovable build amazing website for you. So if I copy my prompt, like simply click the first prompt, like that is my prompt. And if you write personally prompt, you can write the prompt from lovable. If I paste the prompt and just drop my name, like my name Rakib, just enter, and after 2 or 3 minutes lovable build amazing website. You can set up everything, like if you upload photo, video, or anything, and you have to write just simply adding the photo, that section, that page, and lovable automatically added the image, video, or anything. Just see my website. This is my agency website, and AI build amazing website. If I look my service section, or if I see, I already provide AI website design. I have a lot of clients, they build amazing website for using AI, and I just simply build that type of website and connect the domain and hosting, and our client easily use. You can see a lot of client already give me a good review for my work. if you if you would like to build amazing and nice design, you have to understand prompt engineering and you have a basic website design, and you can easily use AI and build amazing website. Just look, see my website, and you can see a lot of page like use cases, service page, resource page, and you can see a lot of page. Just see, look my website, and in the home page I already added video. Like you can see, I create the video AI like View 3 and just add the video. Just see. Welcome to Rakib Automation Just Lab. Looks, the background and image, everything generated by AI. Just think how powerful AI. And if I see, we have to wait some time and then see the website look. If I refresh that page, I think they already generate the website. You are customize anything your website, and when you publish your website from Google or connect the domain, when you need to change anything, you just write a simple prompt and you automatically change your whole website. They already built starting, I think some 1 or 2 minute wait, then they can easily build the website. Just see how powerful AI already replace website designer, website developer, or website like WordPress developer, because we are easily write a simple prompt and they can after 4 or 5 minutes they easily build amazing website. And what type, or if you need anything, you can easily build that. So let's see our website look. I think we have to wait some time and they can easily build that website. You can see my website, just looks my website. I added everything. If any client or anything, simply click that button and they simply go to my WhatsApp, and this is my WhatsApp number. If anyone need any kind of service or anything, like I provide all types of AI automation service like WhatsApp, Messenger, social media, website, chatbot, email automation, YouTube video automation, daily newsflow automation, a website design. I provide that's all types of automation, and I already work a lot of clients. Like you can see in my footer section, you can see my lot of client honest review. I already work in USA, UK, Australia, Malaysia, India, and you can see my lot of client review. AI automation, you repeated tasks, automate. That's all type of work. So I think they already built my website. We have to wait some time, then you can see the website look. They generate the whole website, so they need some time. We have to wait some time. If anyone need any kind of help, you can go to my YouTube or my website. You can easily find my contact information like Facebook, WhatsApp. You need any kind of, when you work AI automation related service or work and you want to automate anything, if any need if you need anything help, just DM me. I always try to help you. Or if you need any kind of AI automation related service, or you need AI website design, you can easily DM me. I try to best work for you. We can see they need a lot of time. We have to wait. I think if I refresh, I think they provide. We have to wait some time, then we can see. I think that servers is loaded. If I already refreshed that website, I think they built my portfolio website. Just we have to wait some time. If anything built, like if you want to build apps, you can easily lovable and build that type of website or apps. Anything you can easily build. Lovable get a lot of time. If I go to new tab or go to lovable, they are loading. We have to wait some time. I think they already built that website. Finally, after 10-minute waiting, we can say a lovable AI already built website. Just see the look. If you like hire any kind of designer, you have to pay 200 or 300 payments. Just look the see. Just looks the see. Just looks AI built amazing website. Just look and the see. Like automation audit sale, they write case study or anything. If you need any type of change anything, you just write a simple prompt and they automatically send to you, and you have to simply click the publish button, just simply publish, and you can share your link anywhere. If you want to, just you have to add domain and you can automatically published a website just look like this, my website. So thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time.